Yeah, tell me about yourself, Vaishnavi.
Yes, I am glad to introduce myself. I am Narra Vaishnavi. I did my Bachelor's of Technology in the year of 2024 in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering in Chevrolet Engineering College with the aggregate of 73%. And my graduation project is Artificial Intelligence Crime, a malicious use and abuse of AI. I am practicing manual testing. I did a project on Orange HRM, delete, add and update and employ. And while doing an automation, I practiced it on Orange HRM. Thank you.
Okay. Which one is preferable for you? You have done a project in TestingTools, right? Manual or automation? Which one is challenges for you?
So while doing automation, while writing scripts, we get some syntax due to some syntax errors. By mistaking any syntax or so we get an expectations and errors. So it is difficult.
Okay. So tell me whatever exceptions you generally see when you're doing the Java projects.
Interruptible exceptions,
Okay.
IO exceptions.
Okay. So here I want to access a file which is there in my desktop. Could we write a syntax for it? To accessing a file which is there in my local desktop. What does it mean for file A equal to? What is the meaning onto it?
So we are taking these screenshots into a file.
Okay. Then what will do after that?
After that, we need to give the location of the file. Then we target file. It is a source file, and we need to location of the target file. Then by using file handler, we copy the screenshots from source file to the target location. Okay.
Tell me what are the action items we have in Selenium?
We have mouse actions and keyboard actions in Selenium.
Now tell me, I have a page in that it contains n number of texts, something like this. I want to get a particular text from the web page. Could you please write a code for it?
Yes, sir.
Write a
By
code.
using a text, we can
Write the code. Take any sample thing and write a code for it.
Okay, sir. Any sample.
Any locator. Take any locator and try to. I want to see the text that is from the web page.
Okay. Can we get the title?
Anything is fine.
By using.
I will get title of the page, but I want to see the content. See, let's take this is my page. It content testing its skills, right? I want to see the testing skills is there in the web page or not. Can you write a program for it?
Okay, it is on web page or not?
In this page, whether we have testing skills or not.
Okay.
Can you write a program to see whether I could see the testing skills text in the page or not?
Okay.
Can you write a program for it?
By using assets, we can compare it to whether it is on the page or not.
What is the difference between a data type and a variable?
Data type is the type, which type of variable we are getting to store. But variable is the name of, it is a memory location where we can store the values of the particular data type of the values.
Why string we are going to call it as a class in Java? What is the reason behind it?
It is not a data type, sir, first of all.
Okay. What are the advantages when dealing with method overriding?
If we want to add a new data with the same method name, by clearing all the previous data, we use method overriding. It is the one of use of method overriding.
Then what are disadvantages in inheritance?
Disadvantages in inheritance. If we need to change anything in our super classes, the data will automatically disturb the child class. But it is disadvantage.
But we can make that variable different variable in child class also, right? We can create the separate variable in child class so that we can differentiate the data.
Yeah, by calling super methods or anything.
Yeah, I do it. But what are the disadvantages on it? There should be disadvantage when dealing with inheritance.
Yes, sir. We can't access the multiple inheritance.
Disadvantages, you are telling that inheritance. Okay. Type of inheritance, I do agree. Yes. It never support. But what are the disadvantages onto it? Whenever using inheritance, there should be a few disadvantages.
Yes, sir.
What will be the disadvantage onto it?
So if we use the superclass data, particularly in all classes, you make it as static or something. If we change the data in superclass, it may affect all the classes. It may affect all the child classes. So it is one of the disadvantages.
Okay. What are the extra methods that we are going to see in stack?
Push and pop, sir. Push, pop.
Could you write the syntax for it? Write stack syntax. After that, show me that what are the extra methods that we are going to see in stack. Any more extra methods we have?
Yeah, sir. First element.
Mm-hmm.
We can know the first element. We can know the last element.
Okay. What is the need of going for maps in collections?
If you have key and value, to navigate the key with the values, we use the maps.
What is the main agenda?
The key is always private, na sir. A key, if you want to need the private things or anything, we use the key, and we use value of the which represents the key.
Okay. How many programs has now you have written for Selenium?
More than 30, I think.
More than 30. Okay. So what is the difference between quit and close?
Yeah, close. By using close, we can close the application where the driver is present.
Mm-hmm.
By using quit, we can close whole the application.
Okay. So what are the locators we have in Selenium?
ID, name, class name, tag name, XPath, link test, partial link test, and relative path.
Okay. What
CSS
are the
selector also, sir.
what are the difference between XPath and CSS selector?
We don't.
Can you write a syntax for both of the things?
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. Which one is the fastest locator?
CSS selector.
Good. And what about the synchronization?
Yeah, wait conditions are represent the synchronization.
Which one is preferred? Whether we go for synchronization weights are preferred or static weights are preferred? Which means thread.sleep is preferred or Selenium weights are preferred?
Selenium weights are preferred, sir. By using thread.sleep, it stops the application whether it finds the element or not. It is mainly on Java-based condition, weight condition. So while using Selenium weights, we can get the web element when it locates the web element. It doesn't wait for too much time, and it continues the program. It continues the program when the element is fine.
Okay. So that's it from my end, Vaishnavi. Do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. Do I need to improve anything?
Yes.
Okay.
Lack of confidence. You need to improve more on your confidence. You're giving the answer, but lack of confidence, I could say, and you should be more logical onto it.
Okay, sir.
That's it.